Hey guys, so I created a very wearable, everyday Burgundy Smokey eye using my Too Faced Natural Lust eyeshadow palette. There's just so many looks you can create with this palette. It's so universal, it blends out so amazingly. I'm so happy I bought this, and of course, like, burgundy is so on trend. Everybody is wearing burgundy smoky eyes, so I created a natural, everyday kind of wearable burgundy smoky eye. First, I'm going in with the shade Silk Robe, which is a nude shade, and I'm using the JH32 by Morphe, and I am just blending this all over my crease, in the fold, above the fold, and I am just non-stop blending this so I can really start the beginning of my transition shades. Then I'm going in with the shade Call Me Back, which is a orangey tone tan brown, which really warms up this crease, and I am using the JH33 by Morphe, and I'm focusing this above my eye crease and in my eye crease and just all over, and blending is key. I am really blending this out. I take several minutes to blend out all my transition shades. Then I am taking the shade Hot to Trot, which is a more cool tone burgundy shade, and I'm using the Morphe M514. This is a much smaller precision blending brush, which is perfect for getting right in that crease. I am blending out this shade, focusing on the fold of my eye, right in that crease area. Next, I am going in with the shade Such a Tease, which is a cool tone burgundy shimmer color, and I'm using my finger to pack this on my eyelid. And I am keeping this shade on my eyelid. I'm not bringing this up into the crease. Also, this shade is not that pigmented, so I'm really having to pack on this shade with my finger. Next, I am going in with the shade Spank Me, which is a taupey burgundy color, and I am using the Essence Smoky Eye Brush. And I'm really focusing this on the outer corner of my eye, keeping it on my eyelid and not bringing it up into my crease. Also, the Essence Smoky Eye Brush was only $1.99. It is amazing. I highly recommend it. You can buy it from Ulta. I am then blending that Spank Me shade on the bottom outer V area. And then I am taking the JH35 with the shade Call Me Back, which is that orangey brown color, and I am blending out the colors in my crease. Next, I am going in with the black in the palette, which is a shade called Blindfold, and I'm using the Essence Smoky Brush. And I just showed you how little amount of black I'm putting on my brush. It's very important that you build up the black and bring as little pigment as possible, and then just keep adding and building and blending. That's how you can work with black eyeshadows without it being like a scary mess. I am then bringing a very small amount of that blindfold black shade onto my bottom eyelid and the outer V area, bringing as little pigment as possible and just building it up. I am then going in my waterline with the Urban Decay 24/7 Pre-Vision Black Eyeliner, and then I am blending out my bottom eyelid with the shade Call Me Back, which is that very nice warm orangey brown color. Then I will be highlighting my inner corner with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight in the shade Summer. And then I will be dusting that Summer highlight into my upper brow bone area. Then I apply the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and then I top it off with some Ardell Demi Wispy false eyelashes.